Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this Sunshine Splash Pad, and the manufacturer did send this over to us for us to check out. Now, as you see, we have it all set up out here. These outside parts right here are inflatable, so obviously you'll need to blow them up. But after that, it's really easy. You just plug in your hose, and the outsides get filled full of water, and then it's going to spray up in the air like it is doing right now. Obviously, you can easily control the height of that based on how much water pressure you have. We have ours up full blast right now, so that's why it is spraying decent amount in the air right now, and the streams are crossing. So. But yeah, overall, we really like this. And there's my daughter and granddaughter. They are playing in it right now. She's kind of not too sure about it, but she's going to have a lot of fun this summer. I guarantee it. We just picked up one of these, and we also picked up a pool. So lots of fun coming up this summer. I think you guys will like it, so go ahead and check it out.